Welcome. I'm Elinor Silverstein, and today I'm here with Chrish Kresge, and she's going to be teaching at our upcoming Feldenkrais Guild of North America Conference 2025. And the title of her workshop is The Body Pattern of Anxiety, Reclaiming Choice Through Awareness. Chrish, this is fascinating. Please talk with us about it.
Thank you, Elinor. Yeah, I'm looking forward to the workshop where we'll explore how anxiety takes shape in our action-based posture. We're going to look at how unconscious tensions patterns can twist and rigidify our spine, can limit our movement, and reinforce that cycle of stress and strain. We're going to learn how to recognize our own hidden tension patterns, and we all have one. Every single person on the planet, every animal on the planet has one. We're going to reorganize posture and movement for more ease and a little bit more flowing movement. And natural rhythm of breathing, just breathe. Soft belly, easy lips, soft tongue. And we're going to tap into a deeper sense of calm and therefore also long-term resilience, something that we all need in these very difficult days. A simple shift can really occur in your state or your sense of self when you engage in non-habitual movements that somehow just change a little bit the movement or the sense of what happens in the brain. It's very effective when you address those parts of the body that are very clearly mapped on the sensory and motor cortices, such as the hands, the lips, the tongue, and the eyes. And even the breathing, even though that is not really represented in the brain, interestingly enough. So
Wow, Chrish. Yeah, I was going to say, I don't mean to interrupt, but I want to say thank you. And there's going to be a longer interview with Chrish to really dive deeper in with this. So thank you so much, and see you soon.